It is official. After nearly 2 decades in the shadows, the Ford Excursion is coming back. And no, this is not just a rebranded expedition. The 2026 Excursion is shaping up to be a full-size, heavy-duty Legend reborn, one that blends massive power over the top space and modern tech into a single, unstoppable SUV. For those who remember the original Excursion from the early 2000s, it was basically a rolling tank, built on the Ford Super Duty chassis with room for 9 passengers, diesel power, and towing capabilities that rivaled pickup trucks. It was a beast. And while some thought it was too much SUV, fans loved it for exactly that reason. Fast forward to today's full-size crazed market, and the Excursion suddenly makes a lot of sense again. So what do we know about the 2026 model? Early leaks and industry buzz suggest Ford is going all in. The new Excursion will reportedly dwarf even the Expedition Max, with a stretched wheelbase that could exceed 137 inches. That would make it longer and possibly even wider than rivals like the Chevy Suburban and GMC Yukon XL. We are not just talking big, we are talking category defining. Under the hood, get ready for serious muscle. The rumored base engine is none other than Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, producing a hefty 430 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. That alone would make it one of the most powerful SUVs in its class. But things get even wilder with a potential 6.6-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel option, possibly delivering over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. That is Super Duty level power in an SUV shell. Whether you are towing boats, campers, or even construction equipment, the new Excursion will not flinch. But do not be fooled. This is not just about brute force. The 2026 Excursion is also expected to be smarter than ever. Expect to see a massive digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen running Ford's latest sync system, and features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving tech could also be on board, turning long road trips into effortless cruises. Add in advanced trailer assist systems, a 360-degree camera, and multiple off-road modes. And you are looking at a high-tech powerhouse designed for families who demand more than just weekend versatility. Design-wise, this SUV is going to look as bold as it drives. Expect a square-jawed, military-grade exterior pulled straight from the F-Series Super Duty design book. We are talking a massive grille, angular LED lighting, rugged fender flares, and plenty of chrome or blacked-out trim if you go for an off-road package. It is going to make a statement wherever it goes.